Okay, this is it. I bought this a while back and had been waiting to leave a review until warm weather. I'm happy with how it works for sure. Turn it on. Speeds, simple enough. Haven't used a timer. I'm sure it works. Everything else has worked. The Cool is great. To help it do that, they send you 4 of these. I usually use 2 at a time. And swing. These vertical blades will do that. These are manually adjusted. There's the water level, and there is a plug on the back. Has just basic caster wheels, and yeah, it's been great. Definitely does the trick here in garage / garage gym.